Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you on how to make a simple UGC item. As you can see here, this golf hat. So let's get started. First off, you're going to go to File, Import, go to OBJ and import your dummy that you have from Roblox. Alright, here I have mine. I'm going to just set origin to geometry, just move it over here, press RZ and 90, there we go. So now I have this, G and Y, alright, and from here I will be pressing Shift A, importing a cylinder, so I'm going to be moving the vertices to 24, there we go, and then just scale it down, G to move it, S and Z to scale it down, G and Z to move it, there we go. This is like a graduation hat but with golf balls, I guess. Alright, then you press E and S to extrude, you press G and Z here, and then you can press E, S, E, S, E, S, E, S, and you can enable proportional editing and move this one down a bit and move it up from some places, just like that. Move this up a bit, just try to get this basic shape. You can move it towards the head, just like so. And then for the golf flag, what you can do is, you don't have to make the grass if that's too hard. So what you can do is get a cylinder, get like 12 twists, move it down, G and Z, S and Z to scale it, G and Z to move it, S to scale it, G and Z, and then from here you can get a loop cut, move it using double G around there, and then you can select these two, and then you can press E to extrude, and you take these two and then you can press G and Z, just like that. Also, you see it's fully attached, so what you can do is enable the magnet tool, then select these vertices and G and hover over them. After selecting vertex, hover over, hover over, hover over, and now press A, M and by distance. There we go, we have that. You can move it over here if you want, and you can rotate this one, just like so. There we go. And now just make a simple golf ball. So get a UV sphere, scale it down a bit, take the UV sphere. You don't need to make the actual golf ball, it will be too much triangles, so just like so. And you can make a simple hole in the middle if you want, so, or a bit over here, and press E to extrude, there we go, and press E to extrude, there we go, move it towards the hole. Now you can shade it smooth and go to normals and click on auto smooth. There we go. Alright, now for the coloring part. So you can first off separate parts that you want different colors. So let me separate this as it is black. Let me separate this and press Z and go over to material preview. Then you see this issue when you go over, like it's see-through. So what you can do is go over to its colors here, material properties, and then you can go over to settings. Then where you see blend mode to to alpha blend, you can click on it and select opaque hue. Alright, for the colors, select on this, press new, base color, image texture, and then you can press on open. Then you can press U, project from view. Then you can press A, S, and G. Select scale it all the way. There we go. You see now it's green. for this upper part I can make it like light green if I want to. Then just go over here, you don't need to press open again, just go over here and select your color that you had, AU, and then project from view, AS, and then you can select a very light color just like so. And then for this one you can select black, go to image texture. We are using image texture since you will have to bake if you take a normal one, normal Blender colors, I see, just like so. This is white, just let it remain. This, let's make this one a bit red or something. Oh yeah, that like dark, yeah, let's make it like dark green. This one will look nice, there we go. And then this flag is also white, and this pole is yellow. So go to image texture, select this part, go to edit, press A, U, project from view, press A and S, then you can go over to the pole. So there we go. That is how you make a simple low poly item.